What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change settings, like if you get any call, or if someone calling you. That time, if you hold your phone, and if you hold your phone on your in front of your face, that time your ringtone volume automatically going down. So I will show you the settings, how to fix it. Okay, so it's like I'm showing you how actually feel it. So wait, if someone calling, then see, sound is very low. Okay, so I will show you how to fix it. Or if it's locked, then also sound will be high, but when I hold this phone, then sound will be automatically down. Okay, so I hold and the sound automatically going down. So I will show you how to fix it. Okay, go to settings and just scroll down and find face ID and passcode. Okay, then just scroll down and attention hour features. So it's actually true depth camera will checking is true depth camera is checking you are in front of a phone or you are looking at your display, so it will automatically going down because camera is very intelligent now. So just turn off attention hour features, then it's okay now. Just try again. Okay, so now it's okay. Its sound is not going to down, not going low. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.